Hello, Jerry Morant here, and today I wanted to talk to you about traveling. We've all been on trips somewhere before, even if it's just off to the corner store down the street. I mean, you've all been somewhere before. When you think about traveling, you always have to have a destination in mind. When you're going somewhere, you know where you want to end up. And say you're going on a trip around the world, you may want to get out your trusty globe, let's say, and you'll start looking at the different countries. You've got, you know, Africa there, all kind of countries in Africa. Then you can move up into Asia and see what's up in Asia. Oh, take a look at Australia down there, or you might go across Pacific, come back to North America or South America, wherever it is you might want to go. But somehow you're going to have a map or some representation of where you're going to go. Nowadays, there's a lot of electronic ways of doing it. You might pull out Google Earth and check out what it shows on there, or you could even just use your GPS if it's a more local trip. A lot of people have a GPS indicator in their car that tells them where to go from point A to point B. But one way or another, you're going to have directions and some way to pinpoint where you're going. Now, a similar thing can be said about your home-based business. You have to know where it is you're going. What are your objectives? What are you trying to do? And it's that type of a map that will help you decide on how you're going to get there. You know, if you want to do different things, then you're going to have to look at different methods of doing them. Are there different courses out there to learn how to do them? Are there different people that you know that might be able to help you along the way? So keep that in mind when you're working on your home-based business. You may not have an atlas or a globe to help you through, but there are going to be different tools that you're going to need to help to get that map in place so that you can get from where you are now, point A, to where you want to be in the future, point B. And think of it along those lines. Get yourself directions. Find out where you have to go. Again, if it's going to be a longer journey, you may have to book some hotels along the way. You're going to have to stay at different points before you get from point A to point B. It's the same thing with your business. You're going to have to maybe reach for some shorter goals so that you can get from one point to the next, learn different things, be comfortable with them. So just please keep that in mind, that your online business is more of a journey. It's a trip towards a destination, and there's going to be a bunch of different stops and different things you have to do along the way. But get yourself a road map or a plan in place so that you know where you're going and how you're getting there, and you'll enjoy the journey much more. All right, thanks for watching. Hope this helped you out. Leave me some comments. Let me know if it did. And as always, please like and share as you see fit. Thanks. See you on the next video. Bye.